Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to install and set up the HP SmartTank 523 printer step by step. We will cover unboxing, ink filling, printer setup, driver download, and test print. So let's get started. Step 1. Unboxing the printer. Open the box carefully. Take out HP SmartTank 523 printer. O ink bottles black, cyan, magenta, yellow. O power cable. O setup guide. Remove all protective tapes and packaging material. Open the scanner lid and remove inner protection. Step 2. Power on the printer. Connect the power cable to the printer. Plug it into a wall outlet. Press the power button. Select language and region if prompted. Step 3. Ink filling process. Important. Do not squeeze the ink bottles. Open the ink tank cover. Match each ink bottle color with the correct tank. Insert the bottle and let ink flow automatically. Fill all 4 colors. O black, O cyan, O magenta, O yellow. Close the ink caps and tank cover properly. Step 4. Printhead installation. Open the front access door. Take out the printheads from the box. Remove protective covers. Insert printheads into correct slots. Close the access door. The printer will now initialize ink. Step 5. Load paper. Pull out the paper tray. Load a 4-size plain paper. Adjust paper guides. Push the tray back inside. Step 6. Driver download and software installation. On your computer, open a browser. Go to HP official website. Search for HP SmartTank 523 Present. Select your operating system. Download HP Smart Software full-feature driver. Open the downloaded file and start installation. Choose O USB connection or O Wi-Fi connection, if supported. Follow on-screen instructions. Step 7. Connect printer to Wi-Fi. Optional. Open HP Smart App. Click Add Printer. Select your Wi-Fi network. Enter Wi-Fi password. Wait for successful connection. Step 8. Test print and alignment. The printer will print an alignment page. Follow instructions on screen. Complete printhead alignment. Print a test page to confirm setup. Setup complete. Congratulations! Your HP SmartTank 523 printer installation is complete. Now you can print, scan, and copy without any issues. If you found